In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Tradingview with Exness. Tradingview is an incredibly powerful platform for charting, analyzing, and planning your trades, and Exness is a reliable broker that many traders trust. By connecting these two, you can seamlessly analyze the markets on Tradingview and execute trades directly through your Exness account. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your trading setup, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. And if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Tradingview account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for the account you plan to link with your broker. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main interface of Tradingview where all your tools and charts are located. Now, take a moment to locate the menu or toolbar. This is usually found at the top of the interface, although depending on your screen size or device, it might appear slightly differently. The menu or toolbar is where you'll find the options to access the features needed to link your broker. Next, click on the Products option within the menu or toolbar. This is your starting point to navigate through Tradingview's various features. Once you've opened the Products section, scroll down to the bottom of the Tradingview interface, where you'll find an option called Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on the Trading Panel. This is a key feature within Tradingview that allows you to connect your broker account. By accessing the Trading Panel, you'll be able to see which brokers are supported for integration with Tradingview. Once the Trading Panel opens, you'll see a list of brokers displayed on your screen. This list includes brokers that are currently supported by Tradingview. To make sure you see all the available options, look for and click on All Brokers. This will expand the list and show every broker that is compatible with Tradingview, including any that might not immediately appear in the default view. Now, at the top of the Brokers section, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you can quickly find your broker without having to scroll through the entire list. In the search bar, type in Exness, spelled E-X-N-E-S-S. Take a moment to check if Exness appears in the search results. If it does, great. That means Exness is supported by Tradingview in your region, and you can proceed to link your account. If you find Exness listed, simply click on it and follow the prompts provided to connect your account. This process will typically involve logging into your Exness account, so make sure you have your Exness credentials ready. Now, just in case Exness does not appear in the search results, don't worry. It just means that Exness is not currently supported by Tradingview as a connected broker in your region. Broker availability on Tradingview depends on their partnerships and your specific location. So this is something to be aware of if you don't see Exness listed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily check for and link Exness to your Tradingview account or confirm if the integration is not yet available in your area. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.